So hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perform greatest common divisor or GCD or HCF highest common multiple program in Python. So it's a very simple program. I'm going to explain fully. So just open your editor and first we are going to get input of two numbers. So let A be the one number. Int of, so it's of integer type. Input of enter number. So this is going to be the first number and let B be the second number. B equal to the second number. So we have got two numbers. So okay, next thing we need to determine which is going to be the smaller number of these two, because the smaller number could also be a GCD of the two numbers. So first we need to figure out which is a smaller number, or you can just enter the smallest number. So okay, I will tell you how to find the smaller number. So first, if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, then B is obviously small. So let min equal to B, and max equal to A, and just put an else. And put min equal to A. If A is less than B, so obviously minimum will be A, max equal to B. So that's it, pretty straightforward. So now we have min and max. We have found the min and max are nothing but the A and B, smallest and greatest respectively. So okay, after finding these two, we are just going to use a simple for loop and if condition. So what we're going to do is we are just going to, from number 1 onwards till the minimum number, we're just going to divide and test out the two numbers from numbers 1 to min. Okay, so let me do it and explain it. So for I in range, not here. So it's for I in range, and it's from 1 to 1 comma, actually it's min plus 1. So okay, because for loop takes from I to min plus 1, it takes from 1 to min. So that's why I have given this. So otherwise we will miss the last value. So we have done our for loop and we are just going to give a if condition over here. So what does if condition do? We are going to find the number that divides both the minimum and maximum number. So the number should be able to divide minimum number and maximum number. That's what we will do. So that's it. If min mod I equal to 0, it divides and. So and operator, you pretty much you would be knowing, it returns conditions, returns one or condition gets satisfied only if both the things are true. So 1 and 1 returns 1, otherwise all the other things are going to be false. So that's going to be max mod I equal to 0. These two are the conditions, and let us assign a temporary variable GCD equal to I. Okay, so this is a pretty basic one. Loop starts from 1 till min plus 1, and first I value will be 1. So I1 basically divides all numbers. So GCD will be assigned to 1. So again I will be incremented. I will go to 2. Suppose, let us consider this case, if 2 divides both the min and max number, so the condition is satisfied over here because it divides 1, so it will return 1 and 1. So GCD will get assigned to 2, so it get overwritten. Suppose 3 divides it, GCD will be 3, like that. Suppose if this 4 doesn't divide it, it doesn't go inside, the condition is false and GCD doesn't get changed, it still remains at 3. So that's how it works. So this runs still minimum number, so we can even check minimum number for in case of 15 and 30. Let us consider two numbers. The GCD is 15 because 15 is a number that's the maximum number. Even 5 divides 15 and 30, but that's not going to be the maximum number. 15 divides both 15 and 30, so that's going to be the GCD. And after the for loop, outside the for loop, just simply print the GCD. It's going to be print GCD. That's it. So let's run it. Run module. Okay, enter a number. Let me enter 100. Let another number be 1000. You will get the GCD as 100. So that's it. Pretty simple. Let me also try another example for you. Let the number be 3 and another number be 38. So it returns 1 because 1 is the minimum number that divides these two. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I have many other Python tutorials are there in my playlist of my channel. So kindly check it out, and thanks for watching.